friends! I'm Miss Ellie. Welcome to the park. Look around. The sun is shining, the leaves are green, and the flowers are blooming. That means spring is here. Did you know? In many European stories, tiny flower fairies bring spring to life. Would you like to hear their magical story? Let's find out how they wake up spring.
The Flower Fairies and the Magic of Spring. It was winter. The trees were bare. The flowers were gone. The world was cold and quiet. Deep under the ground, the Flower Fairies were sleeping. They had tiny wings, sparkling dresses, and soft, glowing hair. Then, one morning, the sun smiled. A golden light touched the earth.
"Wake up, little fairies,"
whispered the wind. The fairies opened their eyes. It was time for spring. The fairies stretched their tiny wings. They flew into the air, spreading magic dust. Pop! A tiny bud appeared. Pop! Pop! Leaves grew on trees. The fairies danced over the fields. Wherever they flew, flowers bloomed. Red, yellow, pink, and purple. They sang softly,
Wake up, flowers. Grow tall and bright.
The birds heard the song and began to sing. The butterflies woke up and began to dance. Spring had arrived. The fairies smiled. The world was full of color again. One fairy whispered,
Spring is a gift. We bring beauty, joy, and life.
Then they flew back to their secret garden, waiting to sleep again when winter returned. But for now, spring was here, and the world was happy.
Did you enjoy the story? Wasn't it magical? Now, let's learn some wonderful spring words together.
Bare.
Bare.
In winter, the trees are bare. Fairy.
Fairy.
The little fairy wakes up in spring. Magic.
Magic.
The fairy uses magic to open the flowers. Spring.
Spring.
Spring is one of the 4 seasons. Flower.
Flower.
A pink flower is growing in the garden. Bud.
Bud.
Look, a tiny bud is on the branch. Leaf.
Leaf.
A green leaf glows under the sunlight. Seed.
Seed.
I plant a seed in the soil. Rain.
Rain.
The rain makes the flowers happy. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
After the rain, I see a beautiful rainbow. Sunshine.
Sunshine.
The warm sunshine makes me smile. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
A yellow butterfly is resting on the flower. Bee.
Bee.
The bee is busy collecting honey. Bird.
Bird.
A little bird is singing in the tree. Nest.
Nest.
The mother bird built a nest for her babies. Egg.
Egg.
A small blue egg is in the nest. Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
The caterpillar will become a butterfly. Warm.
Warm.
The sun feels warm on my skin. Breezy.
Breezy.
It is a breezy afternoon in the park. Soft.
Soft.
The grass feels soft under my feet. Grow.
Grow.
The tree grows tall and strong. Bloom.
Bloom.
The flowers bloom in spring. Sprout.
Sprout.
The little seed sprouts from the soil. Shine.
Shine.
The sun shines in the blue sky. Melt.
Melt.
The snow melts in the warm sun. Hop.
Hop.
The bunny hops in the green grass. Hatch.
Hatch.
The baby chick hatches from the egg. Pick.
Pick.
He picks strawberries from the bush. Water.
Water.
Grandma waters the roses every day. Smell.
Smell.
I smell the sweet flowers. Chase.
Chase.
The puppy chases the butterfly. Jump.
Jump.
I jump in the puddles. Fly.
Fly.
We fly a kite. Feed.
Feed.
She feeds the ducks. Plant.
Plant.
The farmer plants vegetables in the field. Picnic.
Picnic.
We have a picnic in the park with our family. Clean.
Clean.
We clean the house in spring. Ride.
Ride.
He likes to ride his bike after school. Make.
Make.
Dad and I make a bird feeder. Visit.
Visit.
We visit a farm to see baby animals.
Great job, everyone! Now let's see if you can remember what we learned today. I'll give you some clues, and you tell me the right word.
Question 1. What do we see in the sky after the rain? Is it a rainbow, a nest, or a butterfly? Great job! It's a rainbow. Question 2. Which insect is busy collecting honey? Is it a bee, a bird, or a caterpillar? That's right, it's a bee. Question 3. Which season do flowers bloom in? Is it winter, fall, or spring? Yes, flowers bloom in spring. Question 4. What do we use to water plants? Is it an umbrella, a picnic basket, or a watering can? Correct. We use a watering can. Question 5. What does the mother bird build for her babies? Is it a nest, a tree, or a birdhouse? Great answer. It's a nest. Question 6. What happens when the snow melts? Does it turn into water, leaves, or sand? Yes, the snow melts into water. Question 7. Which small creature hatches from an egg? Is it a bunny, a chick, or a bee? Awesome! A chick hatches from an egg. Question 8. Which animal hops in the green grass? Is it a dog, a butterfly, or a bunny? That's right! A bunny hops in the grass. Question 9. What do we do in the park with our family? Do we climb, picnic, or chase? Yes, we picnic in the park. Question 10. How does the grass feel under my feet? Is it soft, hard, or bumpy? Correct. The grass feels soft.
Now it's your turn. What's your favorite thing to do in spring? Do you like running in the park, watching butterflies, or splashing in puddles? My favorite thing to do in spring is having a picnic with my family and friends. We sit under the trees, share yummy food, and enjoy the warm spring sunshine. Well, that's all for today's fun learning adventure. Spring is a time for new beginnings. Just like the fairies wake up to bring nature to life, we can also try new things, explore, and enjoy the beauty of spring. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.